Let's make a light lunch snack of burrata cheese, prosciutto, tomato, and some fig and honey. Cuciniamo. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Johnny V with Cuciniamo with Johnny V. Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to make a light lunch snack just with some Italian bread, burrata cheese, tomatoes, basil, fig jam, some honey, balsamic vinegar, and some prosciutto. Want to wish my niece Lauren a happy birthday, and also my niece Nicole, who's celebrating her 40th birthday coming up in a couple days as well. So let's get started. Okay, so I got a loaf of Italian bread, crusty Italian bread. Going to cut it in half this way. And then I'm going to slice it down the center on both sides. I'm going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on the slices. I said drizzle and it poured out a lot. So I'll just take a brush and smooth it in. I'm going to then grill this or toast this in a pan on the stove, and I'll be back. Okay, so the bread's all toasted. I'm going to start with one that I'm just going to put some burrata cheese and some honey and fig on it. And that's for my wife. She requested that specifically, so that's what I'm going to make for her. So this is the burrata cheese. There's 2 balls in this, and I'm going to cut it open and spread it on one of them, and I'll spread the other half on the other one. I'll put that one there. And I'm just going to spread this down. If you ever haven't had burrata cheese, it's a mozzarella on the outside with a very soft center on the inside, which they call stracciatella. Drizzle it with some honey and spread some jam, fig jam, actually. So that is this one here, just some burrata cheese, honey, and fig jam. The other 3, again, I'm going to spread the burrata on it, drizzle these with a little bit of honey going across it. Now I'm going to put some prosciutto down on this. Now on these, I'm also going to just put a little bit of fig jam on over the prosciutto. And now next, I'm going to put some basil that I broke up into pieces just on top of here. And now goes some tomatoes, sliced tomatoes that are going to go on top. I'm going to sprinkle the tomatoes with just a little bit of salt because, the prosciutto is already salty. So I'm just going to put a little of the kosher salt, like a coarse kosher salt on top. Just a touch of cracked black pepper. Now I'm going to drizzle it with some balsamic glaze. And that's it. Very simple to put together. No time at all, really. And it's a light lunch snack. Now it's time to taste it. I'm just going to cut a little piece here. And here it is. This is really good. First time I'm making it. I don't even know what to call it, but it is really good. You get the taste of the cheese, the tomato, the basil, the prosciutto, honey, fig, and the balsamic glaze. So it's really good, easy to make. Like I said, I would recommend making it. Toast the bread, nice crusty Italian bread. You need crusty Italian bread. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Have a great day.